Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulics set, added with some robotics in the sense of rubber interface, power motor and some switches. Programmed with Python. It goes up and down and pulling and pushing these hydraulics pistons. So when this is down, this one is up, and when this one is up, this one is down, and these two are still manually operated. Now last time I had a big problem how it was operated, mainly on this side, which was because the water had gone. How does the water go? Well, by incidentally the tube coming away. So I refilled it, and that makes things a bit better. Is that it? Well, you can do more, of course, like adding something here that it works better. Taking another kind of piston like this one with an axle through here, etc. But yeah, you can do some more stuff, like for instance adding a motor and driving this belt. All nice, but when driving the belt I have to be able to put something on this external part of the motor, which unfortunately I'm out of. So the part that is here on the motor to connect to this axle, it turned out to be the last one I had. Then you have to switch on the motor, or in case of this hydraulic set, be able to push a switch by this piston, like I do here, switch on the motor, and then that's it. However, I have no switch anymore, so I am going to do something different. With a light switch. So there's light in here. This piston interrupts the light and activates the motor. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. So again, some reconstruction and addition. Well, alright, now I have prepared wires to be connected to the phototransistor, lamp and the motor. The lamp being out of sight, but not anymore. So phototransistor, lamp and motor. Where do they go? Well, apart from attached to those devices, the phototransistor with the name Q1, YQ, I don't know. Phototransistor is named Q in this program of GNU schematics editor. Goes to I3. The lamp. One output is going to, the output is coming from O5. And then the other side is going to the mass, and then the motor, this one, is entirely connected to M2, appropriate motor 2, M2. So that is how I have designed it. So yeah, I should do this, that's better. Anyway, I still have to program everything. So let's go step by step then. This being the phototransistor, red to red and green to, well, not green, going to I3, and you can't see it from the camera point of view, which is then unfortunate. Yes, now it's going in. Alright, so right here in 3. Then the lamp. So that is one thing. Then the lamp, of course, has no poles, so doesn't matter which goes in which. The only thing is that you have to know what the output will be, and then I think 8765 will be in this one. And then I realize, okay, let me move this one around. Then I do realize that this wire, can you see it properly? I don't think so. This wire, the green one, has to be connected to the ground here. So I do need another wire. Ouch. And I already had to scavenge connectors because I am out of them. I have to order new set of them, but so that's going to be a challenge after all. Anyway, but that is the lamp. And then remains the motor, which is the easiest, going in M2, 2 connectors, and then right here into the motor. So that's one thing. And apart from the wire for the lamp, I also need to set up something here so that one side is holding the phototransistor and the other one is holding the lamp. So that I have to do too, apart from grounding or connecting the lamp to ground. Oops. First thingy, to connect the lamp ground to the ground, I have used now a connector from electrotechnical supplies, one wire to another and then into the ground. So that's a fit. Then I have to put both lamp and transistor on the correct height. So what I intend to do is to use something like this, and then mount it here at the back side so that it positions exactly here, and therefore I have to separate the boards and then test it, of course, because I haven't adjusted the program yet. Anyway, let's do that. And then it turned out that I had to reconstruct. So it is, this one is slided in from this side. Apart from that, I had to completely rethink about this construction because this was a larger construction than I anticipated. So now it just fits between the two pistons. And as far as the phototransistor goes, it's constructed from this side, and hopefully it will work. So I have to engage output 5 to see something on input 3. So output 5, and this is output 5, or should be anyway. If everything is connected nicely, which I think it is. Oh wait, one wire has gone off, but that is the screw motor. So not applicable for this part of the demo. But why doesn't the lamp do anything? No, the lamp doesn't do a thing. And this is really output 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, that is alright. So I have something to check there. Well, assuming that this is connected nicely, but by the looks of it, it is. So, okay. Does the motor work? That is. No, neither does the motor work. M2 is not doing a thing. Okay. Close interface. Open interface. Yes. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, and now the lamp does work. Oh yeah. So nothing wrong with the wiring. Okay, that's good. Very good. That means the wiring is okay, the lamp is okay, the motor is okay, everything okay. I just had to restart the diagnosis interface. Very good. Very nice. That means that part does work. The only thing is now that I realize that I have to bring this one a little bit down, because it should block it, and now it can't block it. So this is blocking, and now I have a little problem, because now the lamp is lower than the phototransistor. The lamp is lower, so it won't catch it. How to deal with that? I think I can play with the height a little, or with the altitude. Or can I? No, I can't. Unless, yes, I can. I can do it. Just adding that, put this in, and put it at the same place, same altitude, and that works. So, still 5. Now it's blocked. So, using motor 1. Yeah, right. It doesn't respond. Nothing responds. Okay, That does respond. That does respond. Okay, but this is not responding anymore, so I have to restart it. Close. Open. Yes. And even now it doesn't do anything anymore. Okay, whatever that is. And that had to be it for now. This motor has to be rewired. These wires are not applicable anymore to connect to those two connectors. So actually this is proven to work in theory. With the diagnosis tool it works, as does this motor. So it has to be programmed yet, but that's next time. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Always appreciate it. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. If you like what you see, then please make a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information about this is under this video. And in the last segment, please also consider becoming a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. This is going to be continued, of course. For now, have a nice day and take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye.